hi to the camera.
How do you feel about entering Goa? Come for the first time?
Fantastic place, India. Fantastic.
Where have you come from?
Australia, Queensland.
How many days have you been on the ship?
14.
And you're going to be in Goa for
Just a day.
just a day?
Yeah. So, lovely place, India. We love it. People are beautiful.
So you're missing the England and the Australia?
No,
cricket match?
Australia, mate. Australia, mate. Yeah.
Well, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you? Is this your first time in Goa?
It is.
And how do you plan to spend your time in Goa today?
Well, we don't have any specific plans. We're just going to go ashore and see what happens.
Have you heard about Goa before you arrived
Oh,
here?
yes. Of course I have.
You've known about it?
Yes.
All the best to you. And
Thank you, Prudent.
Thank you so much, sir. All the best. आता आमच्या असा ट्रॅव्हल्स आहे एक मोठी कंपनी आणि दे आर वन ऑफ द लिडिंग ऑर्गनायझर्स ऑफ ऑल दीस टूर्स आणि वेगळ्या वेगळ्या जेन्ना बोटी येतात दे आर दी मेन स्टेक होल्डर्स ऑफ टुरिजम आमी जशें म्हणटा की फर्स्ट स्टेप वेन यू एंटर इन टू गोवा सगळे जे गोंयचे जरी कोणी कितें पळयतलो ऑल दीज एक्सकर्शन्स दीस इज द मॅन आमच्या बरोबर आसा आयज दीपक लोटलीकर बाब अँड ही इज द पर्सन दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टू अँड लेट्स फायंड आउट फ्रॉम हिम की वॉट आर दी प्लॅन्स फॉर गोवा वॉट इज हॅपनिंग टुडे अँड वॉट आर देअर विजन फॉर दी अपकमिंग tourism season. Deepak Bab, today you are here and we hear that you're the main guy who is bringing a lot of people around and they're going for excursions. So what is your first say on this?
Hi, good morning. Today has been a great day for Goa. Today we have a first international cruise ship coming into Goa. This cruise ship, Celebrity Millennium, is a part of a Royal Caribbean cruise liner. He's been associated with India and especially with Goa for a pretty long time. Celebrity has been sending ships for last 10 years now into Goa, like various category ships, starting from the mega ships and the smaller luxury ships. Particularly with this particular cruise liner, Celebrity Millennium, he's actually come into Goa with 2,086 passengers. Most of the passengers are British nationals and UK nationals. They have also about 900 crew members on board. Now you see, we had a great dispatch time where most of the passengers have actually left now. So they are on a tour, they are on excursion of Goa. We had about good 45 coaches which took all the passengers. We have different experiences. We have multiple experiences which we have been creating and specially created for this cruise liner. Team-based tours, experiences including your cultural experiences, your heritage, gastronomic experiences, your beach tours, a bit of a local spirit making tour, a very diverse range of experiences which we have been creating. With this, Goa is becoming a very interesting port. Most of the passengers think that Goa have a lot to offer compared to any other port in India. So people look forward specially to do an excursion in Goa.
Sir, this is the first vessel international that has come into Goa. How do you look at the season? How many more vessels are expected, or any idea about what Goa has in store in the coming season?
See, Goa this year is we have about total 12 calls into Goa, which are the international. Initially, the pre-pandemic times, Goa is to have about nearly 30 odd calls, say about 30 to 35 calls. We are yet to reach the pre-pandemic level probably by 2027 because the number have actually dropped, not because of per se for Goa or for India. It is the Southeast Asia has been affected a little bit because of the geopolitical situation, but slowly it is actually picking up. So 2027 looking to be great for most of the cruise liners. Now coming back to this year we don't have much, but the profile of the cruises which are coming into Goa are very interesting. So we have mega ships coming in this year, we have premium cruise liners coming in, we have small luxury ships coming in. As the cruise liners have been divided into different categories, just like the hotels. So Goa is getting a name that Goa is ready to handle any category of cruise liner, you know, and a lot of emphasis have been put by the port. We have seen the way the operations have changed. Initially it was take a little longer time to clear the passengers, but now it's absolutely quick. So we are moving towards a world class standards. The coming year also we have international standard terminal getting ready, so that will again boost the cruise tourism more. Worldwide, if you look at the cruise tourism, it's actually growing at the rate of 18%. And in Asia also equally somewhere around 10 to 12%. So we need to capitalize on that, and government is actually putting out all efforts to help us out in creating avenue for the cruise tourism.
Deepak Bab, when we speak about cruise tourism, you think the infrastructure needs to be improved further, or anything that you want to say to the port, because we have international cruise coming up? You think that is going to help further?
Yeah, it is. Now also the presently the port is doing a great job. The in and out of the ship has been absolutely smooth. The terminals are getting ready. All authorities are working in very close coordination. You know, the tech is actually helping us out. Like today we had about 2,000 passengers, and they were cleared in say less than say in 1 hour's time, which is actually a great effort from the authorities, because cruise liner generally tend to have less time in the clearance, and they want more time to be spent by their passengers. So this is something which is good and which will enhance the business further.
Deepak Bab, in the past we've had the tourism department trying to make this into a home port. See, now Goa, as you said, is a beautiful location. You think spending more time in Goa, do you think it is possible, or you think you should you should push it to make the Goa home port for cruise boats?
See, home port in the near future, a lot of cruise liners are looking at it because strategically it is a good location. But due to very limited connectivity into Goa, I mean the international flights, we need more international connectivity, because the home port means there is a lot of transit happening, there is a turnaround happening, passengers are coming from different part of the world and then again flying back. So fly cruise fly program might happen when we have more international flights coming in.
Deepak Baba, when we talk about tourism, tourism plays a vital role in the state's economy, but there is very less known about cruise tourism. We bring in high-end passengers, so you think we should boost more of cruise tourism in the state, or give them some incentives, or all these celebrity ships that are coming in, give them more incentives from the government? You think they need more support?
So presently, the government have supported a lot. The tariff has been reduced a lot. Government of India and Ministry of Shipping is working in coordination with that, and that has encouraged a lot from the last 2 years. Also, when it comes to Goa, we as a company always try to promote local vendors, local suppliers. We have a very strong policy of building sustainable ecosystem. Most of the suppliers are the vendors which are a part of this particular activity are locally sourced. For that matter, like the transporter who we use actually is the local. the guides who are actually involved in the operations, who are the ambassadors of Goa, are local. We highly promote only local shopping, no other emporiums, only going to a local store. There are a lot of mentions, colonial mentions who we promote. There are plantations which we take in consideration when it comes to excursion. We promote museums. We promote the other restaurants which are locally owned, the beach shack. So if you look at it, we are using a lot of local ecosystem, a part of this particular activity. Also, when it comes to a cruise tourism, being a mass tourism, we try to improve and we try to put in a lot of efforts to reduce impact on the environment. Use of plastic is been told to reduce at various places where we are actually encouraging all our vendors to use the water filters. Possible do a lot of walking tours so that we are able to curb the carbon footprints, and a major revenue we wanted it should reach out to our locals here in Goa. So a cruise liner should benefit a local in Goa when it comes to an operation like this.
Deepak Bab, now from what we hear and we understand from you, you are the main person and they see what you show. So now you're talking about different kind of excursions. It was usually the old Goa. Now you have diversified into so many different categories of excursions. How has the journey been for you and what has been the response of the people?
The journey has been absolutely fantastic. Initially, it was only a few sites which we had introduced to a cruise liner, and now we have actually gone beyond beyond the expectation of the cruise liner. There are curations which have been done, which are absolutely immersive experiences. We have moved from a contemporary ship to a traditional, I would say a very traditional, authentic experience, which are very, very rare, which the clients have really appreciated. We are trying to involve again more of local experiences for various reasons, because more of authentic way of presenting to Goa, and Goa is known for it. Goa is known for its culture, its heritage, its cuisine, its people, and we are trying to involve a lot of local movement in this particular activity.
Deepak Bab, it was nice talking to you, but one question before we leave. You think good days are in store for Goa, especially in the tourism sector?
Yes, no doubt about it. Goa brand itself is very well known globally. When we travel overseas, or they say, "Oh, you are from Goa." We know Goa very well. So the marketing for Goa is already there, and people know Goa very well. It's only that we need to promote it to a greater level now. We need to reach out from a different media, internationally. So people are encouraged to come. Even for that matter, Goa have a good opportunity to scale up the luxury business. Because Goa have your high-end contemporary hotel to the most authentic luxury experience. Which is actually rare in other port towns or other cities. So this makes Goa a very unique destination overall.
Any suggestions for further improvement in Goa? Like sometimes people get upset when you hear about a lot of taxis or whatever. Anything that you have in mind or you want to tell the people of Goa somewhere, that we need to benefit from this?
Taxi, we here, especially at the port, today it was absolutely smooth and we've not faced any problem with the taxi. And I'm sure everybody here will be quite happy, because we had about 2,000 passengers, and I'm sure that'd be a great revenue for the taxis as well here today. It is only that we need to be a little pro-tourism, think a little pro-tourism, rather than just about the commercial part of it, and that's going to be a winning situation for Goa.
Thank you so much, Deepak Babu. It was very nice talking to you, and we look for good days to come in Goa, especially when you are at the helm of affairs. Thank you so much. सद्याक आमी जे हांगा एमपीटीन भितर आसा आनी आमी जाणा आयज क्रूज बोट आयल्या पूण जेन्ना आमी हे जाग्यार पावता दी फर्स्ट मेन पर्सन हू इज holding this position here and bringing the ships is MPT आणि आज आम्ही आमच्या बरोबर आसा जेरोम क्लेमेंट बाब and he is the traffic manager in charge of the port. तर आम्ही आज तांचे कडेन जाणून घेवया की what is MPT doing to promote cruise tourism. तांचो एक नवो इंटरनॅशनल and domestic cruise terminal येवपाचो ताजी कितले पर्यंत तयारी जाल्ली आसा, when are they going to launch the new cruise terminal and how it is going to benefit the tourism industry. Jerome Bab, today we have this vessel coming in. How many passengers are coming and any details about this ship today?
Okay, first and foremost, thank you, and we are very happy. Today is the first international call, Celebrity Millennium. It's a bigger ship which is carrying 2,000 plus passengers, and this has come from Cochin. So basically, we have got almost around 12 international call lined up. This being the first, we thought we should handle it properly. We were also very grateful and happy to say that Goa Tourism has been very kind enough, because there is a signature welcome which is extended to the international cruise calls, and Goa Tourism has been always supportive, and they sent their team to accord a warm traditional welcome to all the passengers.
Jerome, when we talk about cruise vessels, in the past MPA has given a lot of incentives to vessels to attract cruise tourism, and with the boost on cruise tourism as of now, any incentives or reduction in tariffs that has been offered by MPT?
See, basically, we are charging composite. Earlier, unlike cargo vessels, there are different VRC charges like port dues, pilotage, and all. But Government of India has given directions that there should not be much charges levied. It should be a composite charge which includes everything. So basically, the tariff has been reduced, but this year we have not increased anything. It is around $0.36, per GRT, and then $6 per passenger is being charged. That's least charges which is collected in India compared with other international destinations of vessels.
Remember, when we talk about cruise tourism, we have a international level cruise terminal developing in the port. We have domestic and international cruise terminal. Works have begun. What is the stage of the cruise terminal as of now?
Goa is always known to be a tourist destination, and keeping in line with that, Government of India has sanctioned the project of international domestic and cruise terminal, which is towards my left, which is going to come up and be operational by the coming season. So almost 60% of the work has been already completed, and we are hopeful by the next cruise season it will be fully operational. And this will actually give a lot of relief and ease for the passengers. They will have a lot of facilities, launch services, shopping mall, everything will be inside in one shelter.
Jerome, when we talk about tourism, is there any other aspects like other venues where MPA is looking to promote tourism? Now we have cruise terminals. Any other aspect like ropeways or whatever? Any projects that are in the mind of MPA?
Yeah, there are projects lined up. Like basically, we are also thinking of yacht parking within this cruise terminal, because yacht parking is not there. So there were a lot of requests, and we have already given a letter of intent for the yacht parking in the cruise basin. At the same time, we are also going to have one more project, big project. It is the ropeway project connecting Mormugao to Donopal, Panjim. So this is going to be done in association with Government of Goa. Basically, we are in the advanced stage of preparing the draft for this thing feasibility report. So IPRCL is already been interested with it, and most likely this is going to happen very soon.
Jerome, when we are talking about different projects, we are also talking about yacht parking. How do you look at the tourism season in years to come? You think with all these amenities and facilities, you think we will have more of cruise ships coming into the port?
Definitely. See, what is happening is there is one red issue going on. Because of that, international cruise lines have dropped down. But we are hopeful that in near future, with all the infra in place, with yacht parking, because This is one area where Goa is lacking. If we have a good yacht parking area, then definitely these high-end tourists will be coming with private yachts. At the same time, there will be a lot of international cruise because there are a lot of inquiries who are coming and interested in setting up, they are also interested in home ports facilities in Goa. So we are very hopeful that in near future we will have an increase in handling of cruise lines over here.
Anything on the domestic front? We had the vessels like earlier. We used to have a lot of vessels coming in. Anything on domestic front, domestic cruise that is going to be handled at the MPA?
Yeah, domestic already is there. Cordelia is calling every week twice, and it has become a very successful, cruise calls in Goa. And they themselves are thinking of, putting one more vessel. And shortly, I think it will be actually deployed over here, so that in a week, at least 4 calls will be there of domestic because now Indians have a lot of disposable incomes at their table. So they don't mind spending. Instead of going to foreign countries and spending, it will definitely benefit the GDP of our own country.
Jarambab, when we were just talking to a lot of stakeholders here, and we've realized that Goa as a brand is well known across the world, and there were also discussions of making this into a home port, so cruise boats could stay for a longer time, cruise ships could stay for a longer time, people could have more memorable experiences. Anything on that front as of now? Any discussions happening?
Yeah, see, for home porting, a lot of infrastructure facilities are required. Today, we don't have that. But I'm sure in near future, with coordination and cooperation with government of Goa and the private entities, definitely Goa can become a home port. Today, it is only a port of call because, when foreign tourists come over, you require a lot of facilities there should be proper accommodation, proper berthing facilities. Everything once it is in place, then definitely Goa will become a home port.
Thank you so much, Jarambab. It was nice having you around, and we got to know more about what the MPA has got planned. आता आम्ही just ऐकून घेतला Jarambabaक आणि तांचे एक ambitious plans. जसे आम्ही जाणा क्रूज टर्मिनल, इंटरनॅशनल क्रूज टर्मिनल रोखडोच जावपाचो आसा, आणि तांचें म्हणणें आसा की गोंयकारांक in the days to come, there is going to be a lot of tourism, and the state will benefit from these cruise tourism activity. So, do you like Goa?
Yeah, we've been here before about 4 years ago. We stayed in South Goa, really enjoyed it. Today we're back on the cruise ship just for one day. It's not a long enough time, really.
You wish it could stay here for more?
The cruise ship, yes, but there is maybe could be a shop here for a cup of tea or something like that. Would be nice as well. But it's a lovely place, lovely people. We really enjoyed the company here when we were here 4 years ago. So
this is your second time here in Goa?
Second time in Goa, yeah.
Okay. Any suggestions to the government of Goa, just from your point of view?
Well, I went where the cruise stops. I mean, there's not a lot here. I can't even see a shop yet. So, or somewhere to get a cold drink, maybe.
So more shops in the vicinity.
Yeah, yes, would be a good idea, I think, because that would bring money in, wouldn't it?
So where did you board the ship from?
Singapore.
Singapore. And how long has it been that you're on the ship?
It's nearly 2 weeks now. We finish in Mumbai day after tomorrow.
Okay.
So Wednesday. So.
All the best to you, man.
Thank
you
you
so
very
much.
much. Thank you.
Have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Bye. You like the trip?
Yeah, very good, thank you.
Yeah. Where did you go?
Where did we go? What was the name of that beach?
Oh, was it good enough?
Yeah, it was lovely.
You want to come back to Goa again?
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, really nice.
Getting back good memories back to?
Yeah, back to England. Yeah. Pass on to friends.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
Thank you.
Hi. Had a good time in Goa?
Oh, it's good. Yeah, it's all right. All right. Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah,
Yeah.
busy. Hot, humid.
Yeah.
The kingfisher beers are nice too.
Oh.
So yeah, no, I had a good time. Thank you.
You had a good time in Goa?
Oh, we've loved Goa. Thank you very much. The beach was beautiful.
Oh.
We wish we could have spent longer here. It's only a short day, so we have to be back on the ship for 2 o'clock. But yeah, it's beautiful.
But in
Thank
that short
you.
time, did you really enjoy Goa?
Yes, we did. We went to Bogmarlow Beach,
Oh.
and it's very nice. Yes, thank you very
You had
much.
some- you had
The
some
sea was beautiful and warm, and yes,
So you're carrying back good memories back
very
home.
good memories. And we'll come back and spend longer here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And all
Thank
the very best.
Oh, best you. Have a lovely day. Bye.
We went, what was the name of that church? Oh, St. Augustine.
St. Augustine's.
Yes, it was beautiful. And then we went to a beach Which beach did we go to?
Miramar
Beach. Yes, we met.
You like the places in Goa?
Yes, it was beautiful. It's so tropical and lush here. It's gorgeous.
Did you get a chance to eat something in Goa?
I bought a banana.
Cashews.
And cashews, some spices, and cashews.
You wish you could stay here longer?
Oh yes, I'll definitely come back. Yes, it was very nice.
Thank you so much, and
No problem.
have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
God bless. Enjoyed Goa?
Yes, it was very nice.
Oh, where did you come from?
Romania.
Oh, so
Yeah.
how do you find Goa? The weather is good?
Yeah, the weather is okay. Here it's okay, but in Romania we have snow.
Oh.
So we like the weather. We enjoyed the beach. It was very nice.
Which part of Goa did you go to?
We go to a beach nearby, 20 kilometers.
Miramar Beach?
Something.
Bambole.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So how did you find Goa? Find it
Very
good?
nice.
Come
We
back
enjoyed. Yeah, we will come back. Okay.
You wish the ship could stay longer? You could explore more maybe?
Yes, because the time was very short. Okay.
Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Thank you.
You guys enjoyed in Goa?
Sorry?
You guys
Oh.
enjoyed in Goa?
No, yeah, we loved Goa. We're from Vancouver, Canada, from the ship, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're just a few hours
How do
here.
you find Goa?
Oh, very nice. We had good food at the beach and stuff like that, so very nice, very friendly, so all good.
Yeah. Very friendly people.
Do some shopping.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, we did
Did a lot of shopping?
a lot of shopping. Yeah, a lot
All
of
of us, we
shopping.
have one by
Yeah.
each.
Oh,
So we
that's
all
nice.
have Indian clothes.
Okay.
Yes.
You come back to Goa again if
Yeah.
given a chance?
Next time, yeah, we will.
Absolutely. Okay, thank
So
you.
take care. All the best. You guys enjoyed Goa?
Excellent, really good.
Where did you go? Where the more?
So we've been on a Goan gastronomy tour.
Oh, fantastic.
So we met with a chef who's not a chef, she's an architect, and she took us to the local market where she told us all about the different spices and different culture between the north and south of India. And then we went back to her villa where she has cooked for us. Superb,
You like the food in Goa?
beautiful.
The people?
Beautiful.
The weather?
Yeah, oh, definitely the weather. We're from Manchester,
Oh.
England.
You heard of Goa before or is it your first time?
Yes, our friends' holiday in
Okay.
Goa. Yeah,
But basically this is your first time in Goa?
first time.
You like it here?
Beautiful.
You wish the vessel
Lovely.
could stay longer or
I wish.
you going to come back
Got to
again
go
to Goa?
home.
You want to come back to Goa?
Yes,
We
yes,
hope to look
yes.
you in the
Look
future.
forward
Yeah.
to it. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Have a
Thank
great day.
you.
आयज आमी आसा सद्याक एमपीटीन भितर आनी आमच्या फाटल्यान आमकां दिसता सेलिब्रिटी मिलेनियम ही क्रूज बोट हांगा आयिल्ली आसा एक मोठी पॅसेंजर बोट आयज हांगा आयिल्ली आसा आनी दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्रूज शीप दॅट हॅज अरायव्ड इन टू एमपीटी ऑफ द टुरिजम सिजन हांगा इंटरनॅशनल क्रूज ही फर्स्ट टायम हांगा आयिल्ली आसा आनी हातून भितर अरावंड 2100 पॅसेंजर सुमार आयिल्ले आसा जेन्ना आमी हांगा भितर गेले आमी वेगळे वेगळे लोकांक गाठलो टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटांतल्या गोवा टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटांतल्या मागीर इंडियन टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटांतल्या टूर ऑपरेटरांक मेळ्ळे आनी तांचे कडेन आमी जाणून घेतलें की कशें ते पॅसेंजराक हँडल करता तांचे कितें अपेक्षा आसता आनी आमकां आयज कळून आयिल्लें आसा की पॅसेंजरांक जे हांगा आयल्या तांकां एक वेगळे वेगळे टूर एक्सकर्शन दिल्ले जाता आनी तांकां वेगळे वेगळे गोंयचे डिफरंट पार्ट्स डिफरंट कुझिन्स तांकां डिफरंट टूर्स प्लॅन केल्ले आसता आनी खंय तरी दे आर एक्सपेक्टींग की अशे क्रूज बोट ज्यो आसा जायत्यो येतल्यो आनी पॅसेंजरांक एक बरी मेमरी आसची जेन्ना आमी आनी फुडें पळोवंक गेले तेन्ना आमी एमपीटी कडेन जेन्ना उलयले एमपीटीन सांगिल्लें आसा की तांचे एक इंटरनॅशनल आनी डोमेस्टीक क्रूज टर्मिनल जो आसा इट इज गोइंग टू बी रेडी बाय द नेक्स्ट सिजन आनी हाका लागून खंय जायत्यो फुडें आनीकूय क्रूज टुरिजम म्हणटा तें बूस्ट जावपाचें आसा जेन्ना आमी थोड्या लोकां कडेन उलयले आमकां अशेंय कळून आयलें की थोडे जे ट्युरिस्ट आसा तांकां आमी जेन्ना पर्सनली उलयत ते तांचें म्हणणें आसा की खंय तरी एक तांच्यांनी सुजाव दिल्लो आसा गव्हर्मेंटाक की जेन्ना एक क्रूज बोट लागता एक लागीं एक धाकटेशें मार्केट आसपाक जाय जे लोकांक एक्सकर्शनाक वचपाक नाका एक बेश्टेच एक वायर येवन अशें बेश्टेच एक च्या पिवपा खातीर खंय दुकानां आसची जावं एक खंय सोवेनरी शॉप्स अशें लागीं खंय तरी आसची अशें तांचें म्हणणें आसा जेन्ना आमी आयज हांगा आयिल्ले आसा आमकां एक कळून आयिल्लें आसा की गूड डेज आर येट टू कम फॉर गोवा खंय तरी क्रूज टुरिजम जें आसा एक भरपूर व्हडल्या लेवलाचेर डेवलप जावपाचें आसा आसा आनी खंय तरी एक डिमांड लोकांचो आसा की ही जी बोट्यो आसता हांगा येता आनी ती एक थोड्या वेळा खातीर गोंयांत आसता आनी मागीर ती आयज जी ही बोट आयल्या इट इज कम फ्रॉम सिंगापूर इट इज गॉन टू मलेशिया टू थायलंडच्यान ती श्रीलंका गेले आनी देन इट इज एंटर इंडिया कोची गेले आनी आतां गोंयांत आयिल्ली आसा आनी हांगच्यान ती 2 सुमार भायर सरून परती बॉम्बे वचपाची सो थोडे जे पॅसेंजर आसा तांकां तांचें म्हणणें आसा की आमकां गोंयांत टायम खंय तरी पावना थोडे लोक जे आसा तांच्यांनी गोंयचे बद्दल आयकल्लें आसा पूण अनफॉर्च्युनेटली हांगा फक्त 2 ना 3 वरां मेळटा आनी तांचो एक खंय तरी डिमांड आसा की हांगा बोट चड वेळ रावची एट द सेम टायम गोवा गव्हर्मेंट इज ऑल्सो लुकींग टू मेक दीस एज अ होम पोर्ट सद्याक इट इज अ पोर्ट ऑफ कॉल म्हणजे हांगा ज्यो बोटी येता ती फक्त एक थोड्या वेळा खातीर आसता एक खंय तरी गव्हर्मेंटाचो एक प्रयत्न आसा आनी जे लोकांचो डिमांड आसा खंय तरी इन द फ्युचर आमी एक्सपेक्ट करूंक शकता की दीस कूड बी अ पोर्ट ऑफ कॉल हांगा बोट रातीभर रावूंक शकता आनी पॅसेंजरांक एक बरो मोठो वायड एक्सपिरियन्स दिवपाचो एक चान्स हांगा जावंक शकता आनी खंय तरी गोंयची ट्युरिजम जे आसा खंय तरी एक बरे व्हडल्या प्रमाणाचेर बूस्ट जातली वास्कोच्यान कॅमेरामॅन तुळशीदास चारी बरोबर हांव विक्रम नायक प्रुडंटा खातीर.